Students, in this video I am going to explain question number D of exercise 10.2. Complete the table. See the first example. Here you can see length, breadth and height are given and we are asked to find out the volume. When dimensions are given, we use the formula of volume. V is equal to length into breadth into height. Now I am going to substitute the value in the given formula. Length is 7 mm, breadth is 5 mm and height is 5 mm. Let us solve. 7 5s are 35. So it's a 35 into 5 now. And 35 into 5 is equal to 175. Hence, volume is 175 cubic millimeter. Similarly, you can solve the second example given in your textbook. Now see the third example. In this example, length is given, breadth is given and volume is also given and we are asked to find out height. Now how will you find out the height? See, here you can see the volume is given to us, right? So here we can use the formula of volume. V is equal to length into breadth into height. Now, let us substitute the value. What is the value of V? It's a 120 cubic centimeter is equal to length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter and we have to find out the value of H. Now let us solve. 120 is equal to 5 into 4. Now 5 into 4, 20 into H. Here we have to find out the value of H. So we shift this term 20 to the left hand side. Children, here you can see the number 20 is in multiplication, right? So when it goes to the other hand, it will goes in the denominator. Therefore, H is equal to 120 divided by 20. Now this 0 is getting cancelled with this 0 and we are left with 12 by 2. Now 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Hence, height is equal to 6 centimeter. Now coming to the fourth example. In this example you can see breadth, height and volume are given and what we have to find out? Length. Again, to find out the length we use the formula of volume. Now V is equal to length into breadth into height. Now V is given 990 cubic meter is equal to length we have to find out. Breadth is given 11 meter and height is given 10 meter. Now let us solve. 990 is equal to length into 11 into 10. It comes 110. 110. Now we have to find out the value of L. So we shift this term 110 to the left hand side. So when 110 goes to the left hand side, it will be in the denominator. Therefore, length is equal to 990 divided by 110. Now this 0 is getting cancelled with this 0 and we are left with 99 by 11. Now when you divide 99 by 11, you will get 9. 11 9s are 99, right? Hence, length is equal to 9 centimeter. Similarly, you can do the fifth example given in your textbook.